governor of Lagos State, and the Tinubu governor Sanwo-Olu or something like that. Your downfall have started. You and Tinubu. All these things that you are doing to Igbos in Lagos. Do you know how many Igbos that have BP, that have died because of the way you destroy their houses and destroy their shop because of tribalism in Nigeria? Governor Sanwo-Olu, your downfall have started. That is the same God that protect Igbos during the Biafran war. That is the same God will fight you and Tinubu. All those our innocent brothers and sisters that have been died because of destroy their house and their shop in Lagos, their blood will fight your generation, and their blood will fight even Tinubu too. Two of you that destroy Igbo houses in Lagos and their shop. From now going on, God Almighty will judge you. Governor of Lagos State. Governor of Lagos State. Your downfall have started. You and Tinubu, your downfall have started. Tribalism in Nigeria, tribalism. And I want to use this opportunity to tell all the Igbos. Nathan Bono bedo say Bono. Ona atus nojo. Nathan Bono bedo say Bono. Ona atus nojo. This thing is getting out of hand. Our brothers that came to Christmas, their shop was destroyed by the Lagos State governor. Computer village. Tribalism in Nigeria is too much. Governor Sanwo-Olu, the governor of Lagos State, and Tinubu, your downfall have started. Do you know how many Igbos that you have destroyed their property in Lagos? Many of them have died. So many of them stroke happened to them. So many of them have fainted. You have made them to become poor. Do you think that God is happy with you? And you are destroying Igbo shops and their houses in Lagos, and you think that God is happy with you? Governor Sanwo-Olu, your downfall have started. And you and Tinubu and all of you people that are doing this plan, gang up to persecute Igbos in Lagos. Your downfall has started from now going on. Enough is enough for all this nonsense. Governor Sanwo-Olu happened Igbo aka. Leave Igbos alone. Igbos are not the problem of Lagos. Leave them alone. You are living in a wicked country. Tribalism everywhere. You will see how God will judge you. Governor Sanwo-Olu, governor of Lagos State. You will see how God will start from now judging you. I'm the one that's saying it. I'm not afraid of anybody. I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you. You know what you are doing. Wicked governor. Tribalism. Tribalism, you know what you are doing. Tribalism. Very wicked country. You are destroying their shop, destroying their houses. You think that God is happy with you. From now going on, God Almighty will judge you. Mark my word, I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you, but you will see Igafi him on wicked country and wicked governor.
you.